How to get more iCloud storage on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can get more iCloud storage on your iPhone. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you'd like to get more iCloud storage on your iPhone, it's relatively simple to upgrade to the premium plan. Of course, you have to just go to settings and just tap on your Apple ID profile and then go to the option called iCloud, right? So iCloud or Apple basically by default only provides you 5 GB of free storage, and if you want to upgrade beyond that you have to pay a certain price. So after you come to this page, what you want to do is make sure iCloud backup is turned on and you'll find the option called get more with iCloud Plus. Some of its benefits are up to 2 TB of storage, and you have share with your family option. Then you have private relay, you have the option to hide your email, and then HomeKit secure video. So I can just select the option called upgrade to iCloud Plus, and then you can see all this. So you have 50 GB whether you want to upgrade, or whether you want to upgrade to 200 GB, or whether you want to upgrade to 2 TB, depending upon how much storage you need. The price also varies because you have $0.99 a month, then you have $2.99 a month, then you have $9.99 a month. So depending upon the whichever plan you want, I'll just select upgrade to iCloud Plus. Now after that it'll have to take you to a page where it'll ask you to enter your email ID and so on. For now I'll just go ahead and verify my Face ID in this case, and then once I verify my Face ID, on the next page it says to continue sign in, then provide billing info. So I'm just going to tap on the continue option, finish signing up to my Apple ID, and then I'll be able to provide my billing info and successfully upgrade to the premium version of iCloud. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then get iCloud storage and upgrade it. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.